Hey pack leaders, this is Keno, friends are protecting families, protecting the pack. I'll show you guys the how to fix that OP leak detector that kept beeping inside and it wouldn't turn on the gas at all. I found the fuse and it turns out like the fuse is kind of dirty and old, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace these guys. I mean, it still works, but I just noticed that the problems were kind of dirty and whatnot. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab these guys. And I got this thing on Amazon. You can kind of see how they're kind of corroded, and it's just really dirty. So I kind of scraped what I could off of it. Let's put this in the sun a little bit. Oh, well, whatever. So anyways, I need to replace it with these. It kind of comes really nice that if it's hard to pull, it's got a little fuse remover tool, and that's in there. Yeah, that real quick. Kind of see that there. The green thing right, the orange thing right there. That's the fuse removal. Good thing mine was easy to remove, so I didn't need it. And I was gonna grab and replace my 5 amps with these orange ones over here on the left. And that should fix my my gas LP detector, so that I can actually use the stove and my microwave and everything else. So let's go ahead and put these 5s back in over here. Right there. And I might replace some more of these guys that look kind of dirty and just old and tired. There it is. Put this one there. There's some that you see how the difference between the newer ones and the really old ones that are just like faded. So I might just end up replacing some of these guys too that are just really old. That one looks pretty old too. Just cause I want to do that. So anyways, it's in the link below. You have all the assortments you need, and it's good to have some spare fuses in your RV. Thanks for watching.